For centuries, humans have looked up at Mars and wondered, could we one day live there? Now, that question is becoming reality. We are on the verge of one of the greatest adventures in human history, the mission to Mars. The race to Mars is heating up, and the next decade could see humans walking on the red planet. Space agencies like NASA and private companies like SpaceX are leading the charge. So NASA's Artemis program will first send astronauts back to the moon. This is to test new technologies that will prepare us for the long journey to Mars. But SpaceX is already thinking even bigger. With the development of the Starship, this spacecraft is designed to carry humans to Mars and beyond. Elon Musk's vision, multi-planetary civilization. Starship could be launching humans towards Mars as early as the 2030s. But getting to Mars is no small feat. The journey is over 34 million miles and it takes about 6 to 9 months to reach the planet. Once there, astronauts will face extreme challenges, dangerous radiation, low gravity, and temperatures that can plunge below -100 degrees Fahrenheit. Scientists are working on solutions, from advanced radiation shields to Mars habitats that will protect astronauts from the harsh environments. But perhaps the biggest challenge is surviving the Martian atmosphere, or rather, the lack of it. Mars' atmosphere is thin and unbreathable, made mostly of carbon dioxide. That means we'll have to bring everything: oxygen, food, and water, or create it on Mars ourselves. But once we solve the challenges, the vision for life on Mars becomes clear. Self-sustaining colonies, future settlers can live in domed cities using 3D printed habitats made from Martian soil, and grow food themselves in greenhouses powered by solar energy. Imagine walking outside in a Mars suit, working on science experiments, and exploring ancient Martian landscapes, digging for water, or even signs of ancient life. NASA, SpaceX, and other partners are designing systems to help humans not just survive, but thrive on Mars. And this isn't just for exploration. This could be a new home for humanity. So why Mars? What makes it so special? Well, as climate change, resource depletion, and overpopulation challenge Earth, Mars offers a potential second home. A place where humanity could start fresh, with new technologies and new ways of living. The goal isn't just survival, it's about taking our species to the next level, expanding our knowledge of the universe, and ensuring the future of humanity. This isn't science fiction, it's actually happening. And it could all begin within your lifetime. The journey to Mars is just the beginning. Will we succeed? Will we become the first interplanetary species? Only time will tell. Subscribe to stay updated on the latest Mars missions and follow humanity's journey to the Red Planet.